did it. Where's your mommy? I know where the mom is to this one, so we got, what do you call it? I guess I need shoes. Yeah. There's your mommy. Let's get you over here so your mommy can take care of you. I knew Silk was going to go get another baby. Let's put you in the bird feeder for now and hope that... Oh no, Silk! Don't... Dang it. Silk! Got you again. Let's see if we can find a place to put you that Mama can take care of you. Let's see. Put you in a bucket here. Okay. She's in the bucket, okay? Silk, let's go in the house and stop adopting and stealing babies. Come on, those were your friends. Come on. Come on, Silk. Come on. Come on. Silk, come on. No, you can't have that baby. Yeah. See, that's us Mom and Dad. We have to go in and let them take care of their kid. Okay? No more babies.